Hello everyone, how are you today guys? It's me again, her your Kalalis Joanne. Nandito na naman tayo guys. How are you today guys? So ayun, eto nag-ano pa tayo guys. Mainit pa tayo guys. It's coffee time ko pa guys. Ayan, let's have it. Magkape na din kayo dyan sa mga wala pa para sabay na tayo guys. Coffee time ko pa guys. Kayo dyan, ano naman ginagawa? I think busy na, no? So, busy din talaga ako. Ang routine ko sa morning, guys, it's so very busy. Kaya ang coffee ko, guys, nako, it's so very late na. Kasi pagising sa umaga, ang dami ko nang pinagbusy, guys. Of course, here, at the same time. So, wala pa talaga sinumang magluto sa akin. Kundi ako lang talaga. Hindi ako makakain kung hindi din ako ang mag-move, guys. Diba? Mahirap maging solo flight, no? Solo, ano guys? Living alone, di ba? Charis. But that's true. Na ikaw lang mag-isa. So, sa'yo lahat talaga. Expect mo na yan. So far, feel fresh naman tayo guys. Tapos na tayo naligo. And then, ang panahon guys, parang umuulan-ulan. Galing ako doon, umuulan-ulan guys. Buti hindi naglakas. So, I hope din kayo dyan guys, nag-coffee na, nag-breakfast na. You have a good morning and a great day ahead, everyone. Mainit pa ang kape ko guys, sarap. It looks very brown ang coffee ko guys, no? Black coffee to siya guys. That's why. So very brown. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you for watching guys. See you next again. Bye-bye. Love you all. Keep safe kayo palagi guys. God bless.